Hello, English learners. Welcome to Daily Vocabulary Builder Episode 2. In today's episode, I have an interesting idiom for you. Break the ice. Let's find out what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Break the ice. Have you ever felt awkward in a new situation, like meeting someone for the first time or attending a new class? That's where the phrase, break the ice, comes in. To break the ice means to do or say something to relieve tension or get a conversation going in an uncomfortable or unfamiliar situation. It's about making people feel more relaxed and comfortable, especially when they first meet or when the atmosphere feels a little stiff. Now, let's look at some example sentences to see how you can use this phrase in your daily conversation.
Example 1.
When Sarah attended her first yoga class and felt shy, the instructor cracked a funny joke to break the ice.
Example 2.
At the conference, the host started with a lighthearted story to break the ice and make the audience feel at ease.
Example 3.
When David met his girlfriend's parents for the first time, he complimented their home decor to break the ice.
Example 4.
During the team-building session, the coach organized a simple game to help everyone break the ice and get comfortable.
Example 5.
On the first day of college, Emily smiled and introduced herself to the person sitting next to her to break the ice.
Example 6.
Before the business meeting began, Mr. Smith shared a funny incident from his travels to break the ice with his new clients.
Example 7.
When they were stuck in an elevator with strangers, Tom told a silly joke to break the ice and ease the tension.
Example 8.
At the wedding reception, the best man started his speech with a hilarious story to break the ice and get everyone laughing. Thank you for watching Daily Vocabulary Builder. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more daily English words, phrases, and idioms to help you grow your English fluency. I'll see you again tomorrow with a new lesson. Till then, keep breaking the ice and making new connections.